So today I'm working on this bandana with this knit pal yarn that was sent to me in the video I posted yesterday. Look how cute these little speckles are in this. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing my bandana. I'm really just using a granny stitch, which is probably one of my favorite things to do because it moves fairly quickly and it's super repetitive. I have the cat hair on everything that I try to do. So basically you're just going to chain up 3 and then I like to turn, and then what I'm going to do is just to give it a stronger base chain, I'm just going to double crochet right into this first. I say that anytime I try to film anything, and just always it's like, no, the yarn's gonna split. Alright, so we got your double crochet here, so there's going to be kind of 2, but I'm not counting this first one as one. And then in this first space right here, you're just going to put 3 double crochets. I think it's me trying to film this way more than anything that throws me off. So you got your 3 double crochets there. Then you're just going to skip to the next little gap right here, 3 into this one as well, and you just continue that down until you get to the point. Then I'll show you what I do. Alright, so now we're down here and you have this chain space here. So you're going to put 3 double crochets into this space. Then we're going to chain 1, and in the same space right here, do 3 more. And this just creates this corner piece. Then you just continue on this side and then into this last chain that you made. You're just going to put 2 double crochets into the top of the chain 3 to finish it off. And then it'll just keep working up like this. And then you can either go around with a single crochet, or if you want to put a shell border or picots, anything you want. Super easy, super cute.